Many of you probably watching this have never met me. If you saw this from me, or even if you didn't, if you saw it from my wife or whoever you see it from, it's an opportunity to work from home. I'm here to help you. What I want to do real quick is just tell you a little bit about myself. I began working from home about 15 years ago, and I have made a living working from home. That's what I do. The opportunity for you to get involved in is a survey opportunity. It's called Survey Junkie. Something that does work, something that will pay you, something that is totally free. You're not going to be asked to pay to be involved with this opportunity. This one here will make you what you need, and I'm going to show you some proof that working from home, especially doing the stuff that I show you, does work. Surveys in the past have gotten a bad rap. A lot of people get involved with a lot of survey companies that do not pay out. They do not actually give you anything to be able to make any type of income. Such is not true with Survey Junkie. I only get involved with the absolute best sites that do pay. And if you want to see proof of that, you're more than welcome. Over to the right, of course, you can see some payment proof. That one specifically is for, I think, $1,727. Again, you can see that, and that's got my name on it, Christopher Trammell, so you can see it is legit. You can see the types of checks and the earnings that I've made from online working these types of opportunities, and you can see checks that are very, very good from $2,000, and you can see payments up to $468 to $212 a week and $136 a week. And the difference, and the reason I put the smaller amounts in there as well, is because you will get out of this what you put into it. You can make $136 a week, or you can make as much money as you want to a week. It just depends on how much you really want to put into it. And again, you can see that these are survey amounts, and that's exactly what you're looking at getting involved with. Very simple. To get involved, you just simply click the Get Started button. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Put in your best email and click the button and click Get Started. That will get you fully signed up. The next step, as soon as whatever they take you to, go ahead and get it all completed. Get your payment way of being paid set up and all that good jazz so you can get paid, and that's it. Just do what you're supposed to every day, and you will make the money you need from home. Guys, again, my name's Christopher Trammell, and beyond that, I look forward to seeing you making the money you need from home on the inside. Take care. God bless, guys.